A for
apple,
B for
bird,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
tree,
G for
yes,
H for
horse,
I for
action,
J for
yogurt,
K for
white,
L for
lemon,
M for
mango,
N for
next,
O for
orange,
P for
parrot,
Q for
oil,
R for
rabbit,
S for
train,
T for
tiger,
U for
umbrella,
V for
brain,
W for
bird,
X for
bird,
Y for
yak,
Z for
zebra,
Wow, very good.
duck,